In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export members from Circle. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to choose, and how to get a clean CSV file you can use in spreadsheets or for reporting. First, make sure you're logged into your Circle community with an admin account. Exporting is an admin privilege, so if you don't see the options I mentioned, double check that you're using the correct role. From your dashboard, look to the top left corner. Click your community name or logo, and in the menu that opens, select Audience. This takes you to the Manage Audience area, which is where all member and contact information is organized. At the top of this page, you'll see tabs that control what you're viewing and, in turn, what you'll export. The All tab includes every member in your community. The Contacts tab shows people who have started but not finished onboarding, so they aren't full members yet. The Invited tab lists individuals you've invited who haven't joined. Choose the tab that best matches the data you want. Picking the right tab up front saves you time later and keeps your export focused. If you need to narrow things down further, use the filters. You can filter by things like member tag or join date to build a more targeted list. For example, you might filter for a specific cohort tag or a recent time window to support a campaign or a progress check. You can combine filters to tighten the results, but if you want a comprehensive list, you can skip filtering and export everything from the chosen tab. Once your tab and filters look right, head to the top right corner of the page and click the Export CSV button. In some versions, it may say Download CSV, but it works the same way. Click it once and give it a moment. For larger communities, the system needs a bit of time to prepare the file. Circle will email the CSV file to the address associated with your admin account within a few minutes. Keep an eye on your inbox, and if you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folders. The CSV format is widely compatible, so you can open it with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or your preferred analytics software. You'll be able to sort, filter, and analyze the data just like any other spreadsheet. That's all there is to it. Log in as an admin, go to Audience, pick the right tab, apply filters if you need them, and export. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.